For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an exterminator pest control business can be both profitable and impactful, especially as property owners increasingly demand safe, eco-friendly solutions for pest issues. With the help of free AI tools, you can reduce startup costs, streamline operations, and improve your marketing, planning, and customer engagement from day one. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide explaining how to use free AI resources to build and grow a pest extermination business, with suggested prompt examples for each phase. Step 1. Define your business model and services. Start by outlining what type of pest control services you'll offer: residential, commercial, eco-friendly treatments, wildlife removal, termite inspections, or bedbug control. Use ChatGPT to clarify and refine your business idea. The AI can help you brainstorm service packages, ideal client profiles, and revenue models. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: idea development and concept validation. Prompt: help me define a pest extermination business model targeting residential and commercial clients in your city. Include common services, revenue sources, and operational structure. Step 2. Write a business plan. Use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive business plan that includes an executive summary, market analysis, target customer segments, financial forecasts, startup costs, and competitive analysis. Having this document is crucial for staying focused and can help when applying for funding. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: business plan generation. Prompt: write a complete business plan for a pest extermination startup in your state, offering termite, rodent, and insect control services. Include marketing, financials, and operation strategy. Step 3. Register your business and get certified. Research the licensing requirements for pest control businesses in your state. Most states require a pesticide applicator's license, which involves passing an exam. AI cannot replace this regulatory step, but it can help you stay organized and prepare. Use Notion AI or Google Gemini to create checklists and track progress. Suggested AI tool: Notion AI. Function: task management and checklist generation. Prompt: make a checklist for registering a pest extermination business and obtaining a pesticide license in your state, including state agency links and application timelines. Step 4. Build a brand and logo. Branding is essential to convey trust, safety, and professionalism. You can use free AI logo generators like Loca, Free Tier, or Canva's AI-powered design assistant to create your logo and color palette. ChatGPT can help brainstorm brand names, slogans, and taglines. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT and Canva. Function: brand identity creation. Prompt: suggest 10 brand name ideas and slogans for a pest extermination company that emphasizes eco-friendly and reliable service. In Canva, use the AI assistant to generate logo ideas based on the brand name and color scheme. Step 5. Develop a website and online presence. Create a basic website using free platforms like Wix or WordPress. ChatGPT can help generate SEO-optimized text for your homepage, service pages, and FAQ sections. Use tools like Durable AI or Mixo.io to build a one-page startup site quickly. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT and Durable AI. Function: content writing and quick website creation. Prompt: write SEO-friendly website content for a pest control business in your city, including service descriptions, about us, and contact page copy. Step 6. Set up booking and CRM tools. To manage client appointments, use free scheduling tools like Calendly or TidyCal. You can also use AI CRMs like HubSpot, Free Tier, to automate lead follow-ups, appointment reminders, and customer communications. Suggested AI tool: HubSpot. Function: customer relationship management and marketing automation. Prompt: Help me set up an automated email sequence for new pest control leads in HubSpot that includes a welcome email, service overview, and follow-up reminder. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan using AI to guide social media posts, email campaigns, and digital ads. ChatGPT can help write scripts for Facebook ads, Instagram captions, and email newsletters. Canva's AI can generate social media content with ready-to-post graphics. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT and Canva. Function: marketing plan generation and content creation. Prompt: write a detailed 3-month digital marketing plan for a new pest control business, including weekly Facebook post ideas, ad text, and email campaigns. Step 8. Launch and promote your services. Once your site is up and your business registered, start promoting. AI tools can help you target specific audiences. Use Meta Ads Manager with AI suggestions for targeting homeowners in pest-prone areas. Use ChatGPT to write ad variations to test. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: add copywriting and campaign ideas. Prompt: create 5 variations of a Facebook ad for a pest extermination service offering a limited-time 20% discount for first-time customers. Step 9. Offer excellent customer service and collect reviews. Customer trust is essential in pest control. Use ChatGPT to write scripts for post-service follow-up messages and review requests. Integrate Google Forms or JotForm to gather service feedback. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: customer messaging scripts. Prompt: write a friendly text and email asking a satisfied customer to leave a Google review for our pest extermination business. Step 10. Analyze performance and optimize. Track what's working and what isn't. Use free tools like Google Analytics for your website and ChatGPT to help interpret the data and adjust your marketing or service offerings. You can also feed customer feedback into ChatGPT to extract improvement suggestions. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: business optimization. Prompt: based on this customer feedback, paste reviews. What improvements should I make to our pest control services? Conclusion: starting a pest exterminator business is more attainable than ever thanks to the power of free AI tools. From writing your business plan and designing your brand to setting up your online presence and automating customer management, AI can dramatically reduce costs and improve your efficiency. The key is to be proactive. Prompt AI tools with specific instructions tailored to your business goals and consistently monitor your performance to adapt and grow. With strategic planning and the right digital tools, you can establish a professional, trusted pest control business without the need for major upfront investment. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.